Lenge Khamsang, Tharing Kingindo Siga Pepating Lenge Samulol Gasushigi Ye. Welcome to another Saturday grammar class with Kizom. Tharing Giresa Pempe, Tadu Zinda Dinanglo Lalenge Hansuki Essential English Grammar Kilopse, you should Sani Badichei, Lenge Tuking Anzuniam Dola Dadulok de Mutuni Jangio Pena, Tharing Anzuki Lopsen Dida Dewe, Karichagi or Shupena passive voice da, perfect ni the Candito Jimba, the Gate Sama Kandi in Balados Chadiore, and the Rigging in the Mutini Sironang and Shui, kissing on the channel told them, Tambo Pecho Rochaduna, Yiming like Kizom see you, and to do that about Picket on the Injang, King into some shit and Gure, think it's also Pigation your Batam, Picket on the Injang de Paina, Injing on the channel to subscribe now. Let's go to me.
La so lenge taring git ndo ko tsugi taring an zolop se nishu tani ba de ta che tinang lo la yang an zugi kasa lop se nishu ta chik ba de na shi passive voice ko le she yore so an zugi is being the third form of verb chaze ki ngo sumba sha da has been shane chaze ki ngo sumba de khadu condition re la je ro tu cha de re ta thangbo e dil chik si wara ji na is are being la ni yo bache ta is mr nyam dola chazik kingo shiba chazik kingo thangbo de khari imba ine yan di gyaplo la ing gyap ni thiko yedre ro has le thawra jina chazik kingo sumba di gyap go yor di to sto che okay thangbo is being are being la du present continuous ke passive cha yor pen chashna de la khangba chhe tang de yo pato chre dwara somebody is painting the door michiki go chhendang de shas di chepapo cho chidwara chezang dinganjugi active kecha khapdu diche ta kisi kecha dus lawarjina the door is being painted go di chundang de shala du sambola dinganjugi passive chayor kain shubaina di sentence ni pa iya dingi ka gi thunda chikba in bai ni ya thangbo di nanglo la chepapo cho dun shayore ni pa di nanglo la chi go di la chundang de shala gyo ma do chepapo di cho ke chimerwa dus keparche ta dege joba khashe chidwa my car is at the garage ni ki motor shasa garage la use it is being repaired right di khari chidore sobje gya de yores ladu samole it is being repaired ladu khalla orla na mi chi di repair chigor ladu mi chi gladi so khetsi min dwara passive franch ashurda some new houses are being built opposite the park khangba sawa khashe chik park ki phajong la gap de shala du sambola kangba söde yo adi zo che ma du sugi söde yo la di zo che yo marwa dus che tang anju ki present continuous tang tada wala lega che shimba da chidang ni chegi yo la di le kebar khari yor la wara jina the office is being cleaned at the moment the thanda office tangma suyo shimba re sha le du tada wala che shimba ga ke ja shegi dwara ni badala the office is cleaned every day Manjuki yigzang nima takpa changma sugiyor ledu chidang ni chigiyo zang present simple. In Britain, injilungba Britain la football matches are usually played on Saturday. Kangze polo tsemo di chidang namgyu mangche wache khadu chigiyor lawarjina sa pasang la chigiyor is but no matches are being played next Saturday. Yine yang chimagi Saturday dala tsemo khegu chitaya marishas. Okay. For the present di thandu yang ship chakba lopsen kepa dang nishta tu na yores kepa tsare nishta tu nganzu jela dang che laso ta bi di nang la thangi nganzu ki is are dingam dola being and continuous rang khandi imba ka she swara the present perfect khandi imba chaji ki ngo sumba lesana perfect chare ro di taginda tango somebody has painted the door michigi ta has painted thanking on somebody is painting la thanda shimbare la dwara somebody has painted the door na thatarang ta michigi ta thada wala che chaw im bado chigi ro michigi door chontang shas the door has been painted go ti chontang chashas la du sambola mi di khechum bu chima swara go chontang chasha la ke la sambola ngo ki khari chaw la war ji chaji ki ngo sumba pheju che jang diga la helping verb has to jang Manjuki di chadeyorda perfect chadeyorda okay the denal joba shamla khashes titagenda my key has been stolen ni gi dimi la shala du sugi kuma game badi lago marra dimi la sha keja di passive che my keys have been stolen tadi chikbare khari khebar to yona ki lani chik yimbaina helping verb has ligre keys lani chikle mangwaina have lan tigo yo re la jor I am not going to the party. I haven't been invited. nga party la dwe means I haven't been invited nga ketang masus. Has this shirt been washed? Di unju di tu sa rwa la du. Ta tinang lo lang anju ki su ki tu imba da di ko la cheba po ki ko la ke zo she yo mar da di dus che. The present perfect the past simple anju ki the grammar na tuge mang che shu ni di ro ji cha de ro di ni ga ship sa chi ni anju ding yo la anju ki the essential English grammar rang gi lop sen dinang lo do sa re der lang gi zo ra. Okay, da thang bo the room is clean now. It has been cleaned. Ra the room changma reshas changma so charis. Tatarang ta tatawala ding ni chin tatawala cha im na present perfect. The room was cleaned yesterday. Room khazan changma so charis. Past simple. The helping verb la ta origine was la dwara manju gi di past rang simple nang lo le che has la du present re ro. Okay, I can't find my keys. I think they have been stolen. Madiminying mindus they have been stolen ra. They have been stolen. Present perfect chadiorta. Kumashoring sare lejo ra. My keys were stolen last night. Kazan yegi last week kazan dunda de debe dunda de nalangi demi last song na du past simple. Okay, tus che shipzang yindung dina lopse nishu nang yores cha chawre dangi gi link shawra description nang lo la tangi zo idi siru nang. Okay, ta jongsang ga shi chiginda. What's happening? Khari chung de shas thangbo di khari redu the car is being repaired. Motor de dwara. Okay, koran jo gi thiyo bache niba de la khari chigido te bridge chi chade yo roji dura. A bridge is being built. Okay, the windows changma swede dwara kandila ore windows la dwa ani are being cleaned. The grass ta de la ko khari chide do chatup de dwara ta chatup de shala ne lengi so gi chuti ainda nangle che ainda. Okay, ta niba de nang look at the pictures remote ge la chikta das what is happening or what has happened. Yama thanda khari chungshim barishas yama khari chungshas. Use the present continuous is are being or the present perfect has have been. Tang anjo gi tharing di changyo dirang yama is being are being nan thigoyre yama has been yama have been nan thigoyorda. Thangbo di khari chide do. Changma roji so de dwara khunju gi khari thisha the office clean. Okay, exam changma lan thi dwara the office is being cleaned. Exam thanda changma so shim barishas. Tangi ba dalim baina iron che ta tolo la iron che chaim ba roji dura ko iron de shasha tolo changma changning e rosh chade dwara. Okay, the shirts have been ironed le dwara shirts unju digela iron gya charis sumba de la khari chido go re gyugung re. Okay, window re dwara window di khari chido ta khere la ore chare la ore torre la re break chare la dwara anju ki ma chopanal theory jina khande thige the window chacha dwa shezang has been broken chasawares ta the chashas ta niba the shipa the roof repair thoga repair chideshas soza chideshas ta khande la gore the roof is being repaired. Kuran zo gidala tsikashis hint desha dwara dicheche. The car damaged. Okay, car the damage chasa dwa chezang damage chasa ina kharre the car has been damaged. Sorry, damaged. Okay, ta dimbe ronang so ge thukba dimba ke pa dinang le cheinda. So tang zo sumba di cheinda. Use the words in bracket. Dige bracket na ansi ge gyodon zo pheju chis ani complete the sentences sham gi jopa dige chachangwa chini tis. Ta lopse tharing gi chagyo nishtanin dida tingyon gi nishtachik dingi mega passive voice ra di cherda. Tangbon ni pa koran zo itisha do. I can't use my office at the moment. It is being painted. Len kunjo ki tido ani di painted len shadwara. Matanda ngarangi example ju che mares di tanda chundang shimbares. Ani we didn't go to the party. We weren't invited. Not invited, weren't invited. Were not len shadwara. Nganjo party le dromes khajena nganjo ke tang masos nganjo drisho le masos. Sumba. The washing machine was broken, but it's okay now. It dash repair di tang nganjo khari thige. Washing machine thola chingshas ine ta thanda digdu khari lagore It has been repaired. Chesawares. Okay. The washing machine the yesterday afternoon Kazan the repair chirelana. The washing machine was repaired yesterday afternoon. A factory is a place where things factory la saja dilla chala dige make la dwara manzo khari laga sugi ore la rwa are made. Okay, next. How old are these houses? Dige khangba tizo khajo mingbares. When dash they built. Ta kunzo khadi kya bare laina. When were they built da d t chazigi no sumba. Okay. Tanga 동계 민도 이 수업 시간인다. Okay, ta dimba di chikchigindarwa. The computer used at the moment. The computer logle phyjuchia thada lejorwa. Disumgi nganjugi ta michigi computer phyjuchigi dwa like je de line baina khachinna yes Jim is using it. Jim thanda phyjuchi chide dulerwa. Is lache is the computer labra ani being used. At the moment, yes, Jim is using it. Tende roshini langi sogi kepa goa chua di nangli cheche, and then the lopsen sawai.
Laso lingyani taring kinyendun dirang sami taring kinyendun lengi chola pentokpo tukto doshchung yangi rewa chigi ye ma penge la subscribe nang yue ne injek subscribe nang ni peruna jima kinyendun na lengi sama kyartu chegi rewa chigi ye tiba do lengi sama chapo chini shuru nang ngansingim to injek jang ni shuru nang